Kerala, the much-awaited Justice Hema Committee report on harassment faced by women in Malayalam cinema industry recorded explosive accounts of harassment, exploitation and ill treatment of female professionals. It alleged that a criminal gang was controlling the industry where unyielding women were squeezed out. The panel report also alleged there was a power nexus consisting of a handful of producers, directors, actors and production controllers. Now this inquiry, this report had been ordered by the Kerala government. It constituted the panel after the 2017 actress assault case involving actor Dileep to study issues of sexual harassment and gender inequality in Malayalam cinema. Now the opposition in Kerala, that's the Congress, has questioned the delay in the report having been released, but many are shocked at the findings.
I think it's utterly shameful and shocking that the government sat on this report for nearly 5 years and now under duress they've had to release it and they're simply not willing to face the consequences. It seems to me that it is absolutely indispensable that action should be taken. The state government frankly ought to be ashamed of itself. Kerala's film industry has had a nationwide and worldwide reputation with very well-known directors and artists and highly respected industry. To see such an industry tarnished in this way, having created an unsafe working environment for women and having perpetuated it through acts of intimidation, blackmail and worse, is unforgivable. This is not what Kerala is supposed to be all about.
Cinema മേഖലയിലെ ചൂഷണം സംബന്ധിച്ച് ഹേമ കമ്മീഷൻ റിപ്പോർട്ടിന്റെ സർക്കാർ പുറത്തുവിട്ട ഭാഗം തന്നെ ഞെട്ടിക്കുന്ന, പുറത്തുവിടാത്ത ഭാഗം വേറെ നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. സിനിമാ മേഖലയിൽ ലൈംഗിക ചൂഷണവും ക്രിമിനൽ വൽക്കരണവും അരാജകത്വവും അതുപോലെ ഉള്ള സംഭവങ്ങളും നടക്കുന്നു എന്നുള്ളത് ഞെട്ടിക്കുന്ന കാര്യമാണ്. കാരണം ഇത് വ്യാപകമായിരിക്കുകയാണ് ചൂഷണം എന്നാണ് റിപ്പോർട്ട് സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. അതിനേക്കാൾ നമ്മളെ വിഷമിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് 4.5 വർഷക്കാലം ഇതുപോലത്തെ ഒരു റിപ്പോർട്ട് കയ്യിൽ വെച്ചത് പുറത്തു വയ്ക്കാതെ അതിനു മീതെ സർക്കാർ എന്തിന് അടയിരുന്നു എന്ന ചോദ്യമാണ്. ഇത്രയും ഈ സ്ത്രീ അനുകൂല വർത്തമാനം മാത്രം പറയുന്ന, സ്ത്രീപക്ഷ വർത്തമാനം മാത്രം പറയുന്ന ആളുകൾ അധികാരത്തിലിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇത്രമാത്രം വലിയൊരു സ്ത്രീ വിരുദ്ധത നടന്നിട്ട് അതിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് ഒരു നടപടിയും സ്വീകരിച്ചില്ല എന്ന് മാത്രമല്ല, ആ റിപ്പോർട്ട് പുറത്തുവിടാതെ ഇരുന്നത് ആരെ രക്ഷിക്കാനാണ്, ആർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയാണ്, എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയാണെന്ന് മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി വ്യക്തമാക്കണം.
At a time when the country is debating about safety for women in the workplace comes this very, very significant and important report, the Justice Hema report. This was in fact ordered in 2017. This was a few months after a very infamous incident of a woman actor who was in fact allegedly taken around in a car and molested for about 2 hours, and that incident had become quite scandalous and created shockwaves. And in that, the involvement of a top actor Dileep, who was named as accused number 8 in this particular case and even went to jail for that. After that incident, Women in Cinema Collective was formed, and subsequently Justice Hema Commission report was commissioned, and this had of course Justice Hema and also a former IAS officer and also someone who was an actor, veteran actor, was also part of this commission report. And subsequently 2019 is when the report was submitted, and it was then officially handed over or made public yesterday. Very significantly, it has made very, very scathing remarks on the Malayalam film industry, specifically the condition of women in the Malayalam film industry. What it says is that the casting couch is a very significant issue in the Malayalam film industry. Says that the industry is in fact controlled by what it calls as a mafia, almost about 15 persons, all of them men, actors, producers and directors, it says, were in fact controlling the Malayalam film industry. And the report was formed in fact by interviewing many actors, and subsequently their versions is something that the report says had shocked the commission, because it speaks about the kind of intimidatory tactics, sexual advances that are made even before they get work in the film industry. In fact, very often women actors are mocked for bringing their mothers or sisters or someone else as a escorts, and in this case they say it was necessary for them to bring escorts along with them because even in the middle of the night there would be banging on the door of the woman actor, and then sometimes being forced into situations that were very, very unpleasant for the women, and something that was advances that were most unwelcome by the women. But what had happened was that those women who gave in were called as cooperating artists and someone who cooperates with the exploitation, and those who are not cooperating in these cases were not given work, and they in fact lost work. So something like this being reported in the Malayalam film industry, a society that is otherwise considered with a lot of matriarchal women empowerment as well, and in an industry like this, shocking revelations about the casting couch playing a very important part in that.